Ano naman yung standard mo sa team mo para makapag-create sila ng magandang visuals, commercials, and such?
Yes. Okay. Depende kasi. Ang standard ko ay nag-iiba in terms of the roles. So, for example, ang mga PA, syempre, minsan, pag PA role, okay lang, wala masyadong experience or limited yung experience, pero masipag. Kasi I think yun ang number one requirement pag PA. Pero pag mga technical jobs, let's say director of photography, editor, production design, you really need people with experience. So, ang hirap, no? Kasi alam ko maraming gustong mag-work na wala silang experience pero gusto nila ng ganong position in production. That's why I tell them, get experience first. Mag-assistant muna kayo. Take so many workshops and do the work first. Kasi your sample works will speak for itself. So, pag po, for example, my brand is a beauty brand, I wanted to work with directors of photography na may mga na-shoot na beauty brand. If food, kailangan food yung marami silang na-shoot na magandang pagkain. Kasi it won't make sense for me to work with people who have not worked on such products, diba? So even with directors, ganun din. For example, I'm working with a beauty brand. I make sure I work with a director who has done mostly beauty projects. If a brand wanted to do narrative, recently we had a client who said, hey, we wanted parang kwentong Jollibee, nakakaiyak yung may storya. Then, I would go for a narrative director. If they say they wanted comedy, I would go for a comedy director. So that's the standard. Whatever your client wants, you make sure that your whole team fits what the requirement is. Kasi hindi naman ako pwedeng comedy yung gusto nilang output, pero horror director yung nilagay ko sa
kasi may kanya-kanyang expertise
exactly.
Din.
So the standard is different depending on the requirement. So, kapag may certain requirement, whether it's for beauty or food or a narrative or a comedy, ano yung genre na gusto nila, romantic ba yan? Gusto ko ang story parang mai-in love kasi mabango. Kunwari for a perfume product. Okay, gusto mo parang hello, love, goodbye. Sige po, then let's get sino ba yung mga nag-romantic directing dyan, ganyan, or may sample works. That's who we put. So that's my standard. Those who have experience and skill set. Kasi mahirap people are gonna spend millions on campaigns. So you don't get people na wala pa masyadong experience kasi yung pera and time of these clients ay hindi rin biro. So for those who don't have enough experience yet, wag kayong matakot maging assistant muna para magkaroon kayo, mag-gain kayo ng experience to eventually get the job later on.
Miss Melay, ano yung mga naging achievements mo dito sa naging industry na pinasok mo?
Ako, isa sa mga pinaka-feeling ko achievement ko lang is nagkaroon ako ng komportableng buhay. Hindi naman ako sobrang mayamang-mayaman, pero isa sa mga achievement ko is kahit pa paano nagkaroon ako ng komportableng buhay because of my job. I got paid eventually, good rates, and so I was able to save. Nakabili po ako ng condo, unit, at fully paid na siya. Hindi ko na siya hinuhulugan. Opo, paid na po siya. At yun po yung isa sa mga achievements ko. Masabi kong achievements ko for myself. And now, minsan, dahil sa mga naipon ko, sa mga projects ko, hindi na ako sobrang, alam mo yung tipong, oh my God, saan ako kukuha ng pera everyday. Kahit wala ako, kahit isang project lang ako this month or a few projects lang ako next month, okay lang. Kasi nakapag-save na ako enough from my past projects, from my past hustles. Kaya hindi na ako ganun ka parang isang kahig, isang tuka, or parang nasa-short. Medyo komportable ako. At bukod doon, achievement din for me na nakapagtayo ako ng negosyo. Yung content house ko, hindi rin biro yung naging puhunan natin. Kasi mahal mahal ang property, mahal ang renovation, at doon, nakapag-invest tayo. So, given that, I think those were my main achievements. But other than that, I think when I produced Eternity Between Seconds in 2018, it won Best Film in Cine Filipino. And the film also was shortlisted in Busan Film Festival. So, very happy po ako na nagkaroon ako ng mga indie films na napunta abroad, nagkaroon ng awards, and then later on, I got to produce commercials and campaigns for different brands. Proud lang po talaga ako sa lahat ng work na nagawa ko kasi I feel like every work that I've done is something that I really, really did work hard for. So, yun yung mga achievements ko.